Hello, today I want to pick this Yanai M2200M. It is a high pin count lock from Japan, as is often the case lately. It has, I think, 20 pins. There are no true zero lifts in this lock. 7 pins in the top, like these 3 medium lifts in 1, 2 and 5. These 2 low lifts in 3 and 4, and these 2 max lifts in 5, 6 and 7. There's 3 max lifts on the right, here, here and here. There's a low cut, then there's either a max lift or a high lift, and there's another one somewhere over there. 7 pins on the right side, and there's 6 pins on the left side, I think. Overall, it's a tricky lock to pick, but very fun. Feedback is quite clear, although quite subtle. The lock works perfectly with the key, so let's try to pick it. Okay, let's tension this way. Let's start from the right side. 1 is binding, gave us 2 clicks, 2 now, still stiff, and the last click, small click out of 1, now 3 is binding, heavily, 1 click, 2 clicks, it's set, 1 dropped a little bit, small click out of 1, 1, 2, 3 are fine, 4 is springy, now small click out of 4 on the other side, 5 is binding on the right, gave us a small click, some pins dropped, small click out of 1, good click out of 2, 3 dropped as well, 1, 2, 3 are set, 4 still springy, small click out of 5, 6 is loose, now 6 on the left is blocking me, need to small click out of 6 on the left, 7 on the right is binding, okay, probably set now, 6 is fine, 5 is fine, 4 is fine, 3 is fine, 2 is fine, and 1 is fine. Check the left side now, 1 is okay, 2 is okay, 3 is binding. Click out of 3 is set, 4 is binding, a tiny click, 5 is fine, 6 is fine. Okay, let's check the right side. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 is good. 6 is good. 7 is binding. Okay, now it's stringy. 6 is binding. Okay, it's good now. I need to lift my camera a little because I keep bumping into it. Okay. I hope the angle is still fine. Now it's better. 1, 2 on the left. 3 is fine. 4 is fine. 5 is fine. 6 is fine. Okay, let's check the top. 7 is fine. 1 click out of 5, I think. Oh, good click out of 3. That was now. Let's check from the front. 1, 2 is binding heavily now. Let's set that. How about 3? 3 is loose now. 4 feels fine. 5. Good click with some counter rotation. Let's go to the back. Some click out of the last pin. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Top feels set completely. Check the right side now. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is okay. 5 is okay. 6 is fine. 7 is okay. 1 on the left now, giving some good counter rotation. Good click. 2 is fine. 3 is fine. 4 is fine. 5 is giving counter rotation. Good click. How about 6 now? Counter rotation. Feels like a lot of stuff dropped. but it's fine. Let's tension firmly. Try to salvage these set pins. Let's pulse the tension a little bit now. The lock didn't reset completely, but it was pretty close. 3. Click out the 4. Okay, 6 is set. Five is giving counter rotation, good click. Check the front. 3. Check the right side. Oh, tensioner almost fell out. Okay, we have some. Okay, good false set again. That's a difficult lock, no doubt. Okay. 3. It was 3 on the left. That was 6 on the right. Five on the left. We should be getting pretty close now. About 4 on the left. 4 isn't giving any counter rotation. Check the top. Two is fine. 3 is fine. Let's start from the back. 7. 6. 5 is set. 4 is set. 3 is set. How about 2? 2 is fine. 3 is fine. Okay. Okay, let's push the tension now. We had one pin drop. Okay, I guess that's an open. Sorry it took me so long. I stopped commenting at some point because I had to focus really hard. That wasn't my quickest open for sure. Not even close, but an open is an open, right? Alright. We will need some tools. Namely this one. This one. Oh, I think I might have forgot about this stripped screw. Give me a second. Maybe I will be able to undo it with a file, because I have stripped it because I didn't have security Torx bits, so I tried to some dump stuff really to undo it, and it's just stripped now. As the housing, nothing spectacular about it. Okay, how about, is it locked? I hope so. Never mind. We'll do just fine without it. Okay, I'm gonna do seven. I mean, left here, top here, with the last pin probably here, and the right side here. Left side first. Does it come off easily? Don't think so, but it does come off. That's fine with me. Springs are tiny. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. On the top. I'll close the window real quick. Let's take the springs out first. Yeah, okay, let's put it here. Okay. On the right side. That's interesting. Mostly standards in the right row, even on max lifts. That explains why these pins were binding hard at the very beginning. 5 is a spool, 6 is a spool, 7 is standard. Do they have some serrations or not? No, not really. Okay, let's try to undo this screw now. But I don't think that's gonna be this easy. But I have an idea. Let's cut the slot in it with the file. This might work. I usually do this with a Dremel, but I have it in the basement. We'll see if that's gonna be enough to undo the screw. Might not be. Especially if I wreck it. Okay. Well, not really. Okay, that might work. We'll see. I really want to see the core of this lock. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I am back with the Dremel, so we can cut the screw. This way. Okay, should be good. Let's do that now. Might be enough. Yes. Sorry for my lack of preparation. It's just that I have simply completely forgot about it until start of the gutting. Since I have picked this lock for the 4th time now, I don't really want to do the recording again, since everything was successful, even though maybe slightly longer than I thought it will be. And now we have it. Okay, there's core centering bearing here on the very back, I think. Yes. Oh, there's 2. That's all right. Oh. There's one here and one here. Okay, there's also this anti-drill insert that was in the very front, in front of pin 1 on the left. It's probably some carbide. Okay. Oh yeah, this lock has overmeaning. I did think so. As you can see, there it is. The overmeaning. Very slight, small step, but it is here. No doubt on all of the chambers. Okay, we can now see the true beating of this lock. On the right, we have okay, we have high lift low lift, medium low lift, another high lift, and another medium lift. The top is as it should be, as the key reads, but the right side, as you can see, 3 max lifts on the right, 1 very low lift here, on 4, high lift on 5, low lift on 6, but a bit higher than 4, and max lift on 7th. So yeah, that would be it. Nothing about this core, nothing else. Alright, now let's see the pins up close and we'll wrap this up. As you can see, mushrooms, they're standards. Maybe if I can, I'll zoom it a little, the quality will get better. Sometimes it's this way. Okay, I can zoom like that. That's our left row. That's the last pin from the top. That's the top row. And that's the right row. Okay, that's it. That is it then. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and bye bye.